Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I would like to explain how to make the accelerate upward and backward functions separate and not happening at the same exact time. And luckily, this is a pretty easy fix compared to the more sophisticated steps we had to take last week. So what we do is, in the functions that detect whether you press the up or down arrows, we would now detect if you are pressing one arrow and not pressing the other arrow. So that way, the function no longer works if you press both arrows at the same time. Like so. We playtest our code as usual to make sure it actually works. And indeed, when we press both arrow keys at the same time, it will still accelerate in only one direction and not stop because it is trying to accelerate in both at the same time. The movement of the car is still a little jerky though, i.e. it stops suddenly when you press the other arrow key to make it move in the opposite direction for a few seconds. And this is because of the way the if-else statements are written, so that it will change the position of the character if and only if you are not pressing any of the two keys. Which explains why exactly the character stops, as it will stop as long as you have the key held down. So you would fix this by removing one if-else statement and replacing it with a simple if. And then having the change position function as a separate entity or separate piece of code. So now it works as intended, although it moves very slowly. So we will tweak the variables that we use to change the position. And we can see it mostly works as intended. However, it is backwards to what we want. So we fix that again by reversing it back. And now it works exactly as we intended it to. Join me in the next tutorial video where I discuss how to add friction to your racing game and how to make it encounter friction depending on which texture it touches, for more realistic physics. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.